In a cozy town nestled between green hills, two brothers shared a room in a small, cheerful house. Firass, the elder by 1 year, was neat, polite, and respectful. He helped his parents, cared for others, and never forgot to say please and thank you. His younger brother Farass was wild. He played loudly, argued with everyone, and often ignored rules. Breakfast chaos. One morning, the family gathered for breakfast. Firass quietly helped their mother toast bread, poured juice for everyone, and made sure the chairs were in place. Farass stumbled in late, still in his pajamas. He plopped into his seat, knocked over the orange juice, and laughed. When their mother sighed and went to get a towel, he shrugged. Firass gently mopped the mess. School morning. Firass checked his bag twice to make sure he had everything for school. He even reminded Farass, "Don't forget your science project." Farass groaned. "Ugh, where did I even put that?" Firass found it under the couch and handed it over. Farass snatched it with no thanks and ran out the door, yelling, "Wait for me." At school, Firass greeted the teacher and took his seat. He helped another student understand a math problem. Meanwhile, Farass mocked a classmate for getting an answer wrong and made paper airplanes during the lesson. The teacher gave him a warning. Later, he was sent to the principal for shouting during quiet reading time. After school talk, that evening, their parents sat both boys down. "We've noticed some big differences," their father said gently. "Firass, we're proud of how you behave." "Farass, we're concerned. Being rude and selfish won't help you in life." Farass crossed his arms. "Why do you always compare us?" he muttered. "The challenge," their mother said with a smile. "Let's try something. Farass, live like Firass for 1 week. Help others, be kind, respectful. If you do it well, we'll have a surprise for you." Farass raised an eyebrow. "A challenge? I'm in." Day 1 begins. The next morning, Farass tried to wake up early. He made his bed, though it was crooked. He gave a half-hearted good morning. Firass smiled and said, "Nice start." Farass helped carry the breakfast plates, dropping one fork along the way. "It's harder than it looks," he mumbled.